Sí, sí, cuando terminas uno puedes empezar el otro. Hay que hacerlas toditas. All right, folks, we're working on the annual ornament. Remember that tradition?
Oh yeah, the popcorn.
Oh, and the gentlemen are working on our very homey little ornament. We are threading our popcorn. This is now rated PG. I don't know. Can you say that in a PG movie? Anyway.
Don't, that's a bad word, hey.
So, NC-17.
He said that UCK.
Popcorn. Popcorn.
Don't say that. That's a bad word. What? There's a reason.
Okay, let's see what you have so far. Show off your ornaments. Vamos a ver. Ginger, ¿qué tienes ahí? Oh, muy
I
bien.
just by putting green.
Deja ver, deja ver. Muy bien. Jorge, a ver.
I learned today that Jorge likes to curse.
I don't want to know.
He just said the F word.
I think Theo said that. Maybe it would seem like some ventriloquism.
Theo said that.
Oh, really? You're learning from Theo already? Congratulations.
Oh my God.
Merry Christmas 2013.